Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 23. We have some exciting progress going on out here today. We have our countertop template happening and the tile is almost finished. I'm excited to show you both of the progress on these pieces. Here is Tom with Bell Stone doing the countertop template in the kitchen. We have just walked through all the details here so that we have laid out all the overhang for our countertops, where our sink is gonna go, where our seam is gonna go. Oh, it's gonna be so amazing once this all gets installed in here. But as you can see, we've got all of our templates in place so that we can take these back to the yard, and then we'll be able to do a cut layout where we lay these up against the actual slabs of material and pick where they set and where the veining goes. So I love that part of this project. Here we are in the master bathroom. Oh, that tile floor. She just looks so pretty. But Tom's also done countertop template for these spaces here in the master bath for that counter and this vanity. Oh, but friends, look at this tile. Oh my goodness. So this is Arizona tile, Flash, Ivory, and she is all done in this shower. It looks so good. So we're also doing the glass template today, so they'll be here now that this tile's all installed to be able to template for the glass. But doesn't this look so good, friends? I love these deep window sills. Oh, they just look so good. And the full height wall. The shower is so spacious. Oh, she's just gorgeous. Here we are, friends, walking up on our guest bathroom. Oh, this floor tile looks so good. Oh, it's exciting. And that vanity is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. But then look at this shower. This is our Chloe by Bedrosians in the green. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my word, friends. She's just a stunner. And then the floor looks so nice. We did a nice contrast here so you can see where the curb is at, where you step into and out of the shower here. We will have a shower glass panel and door on this space, but they look so good. And then this shower tile brings out the green in this floor tile too. They look so nice together. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We did a really dark, it's called charcoal, grout color on the shower so that all these wall tiles, all their color variation stands out so fantastically, but we don't look like we've got a bunch of white lines all over the place. And then we had Aaron, our project manager, cut those niches into the brick wall behind it. Thank you very much. So we've got a nice niche in there. They're extra deep, so that's nice because they're the depth then of those tiles, which is 5 inches. Oh, looks so good in here, friends. I can't get enough of this tile, so we're going to stay in here to finish out our video for today. Friends, thanks for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate you being here for Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.